Hey everyone, it's Eric Williams, the Community Coordinator Liaison for Easton Banks Learning and Life Center, and today I have a little project for you and your kids to complete. All that you're going to need are some dry beans, a small glass of water, and some napkins, and you can't forget your seeds. All you're going to be doing is growing some seeds of your own, and you're going to be watching them for 1 week. So since today is Friday, you'll have until next Friday to see your beans grow. And all your beans, when you're finished growing them, should look like this. These are called seedlings. Seedlings are baby seeds that have started to grow. So when you see your plant starting to grow like this, that's when you know that you'll have at least another month before you start to harvest. Okay? If you make sure that your beans have enough sunlight and you make sure that there's water still in this cup after the first 4 days, then your beans should grow. When they grow like this, you can keep them in your cup or your egg carton. I like to keep them in the egg carton because the egg carton is biodegradable, and I have it on this plank of tile, or you can use a piece of wood, or you just leave it outside, or in your garage, or in your windowsill. It's up to you. So first, we're going to take our napkin, and these are navy beans. You can get your dry beans from any grocery store, but I'm using Kitchen King beans instead. Just that's my preference. That's the type of green bean I like to eat. And so you're just gonna fold your beans in your napkin. It doesn't matter how you fold it. Just make sure that your beans won't fall out, okay? And then I'm gonna recommend two napkins. I have napkins, not paper towels. So if you want to use a paper towel, you probably should just use one because that's thick enough. But since I'm using two napkins, that would be the equivalent of one paper towel. So all you're gonna do is just sit your napkin in the cup like this, and the paper towel will soak up with the water and it'll stay damp. So you want to make sure throughout the week that your cup has enough water in it so that the beans will start to germinate. And what germination means is that your beans are taking in the water, the sunlight, and it's starting to burst open and grow. And it's going to grow a shoot. The green things that you see here, these are called shoots, and the roots are underneath the soil. So in the beginning, you don't have to have soil, but if you do want to use an egg carton for growing your beans in your windowsill, you can go get soil for $1 and some seeds for $1 as well from Dollar Tree. So if you have a local Dollar Tree near you, you can go get soil for $1 and seeds for $1, and you can have your own garden. I hope you guys have fun doing this project. Make sure you tag us in any videos or pictures that you all do with your families during this time of closure, since school is closed physically. But I hope you guys have fun doing this project. Stay tuned for more mini projects coming your way, and share this video with any kids or parents that you know that would enjoy this. Okay? We'll see you guys next time. Bye.